Hi everyone, welcome to weekly meal prep vlog, and here I am done with my weekly preparation. The entire vlog actually sorts the next 4 to 5 days of your life with healthy, high protein, good fiber meals, and I hope that you'll find it useful. We use seasonal vegetables and fruits to ensure that we get utmost benefits of this meal prep session. So yeah, let's quickly get started. And you already know that I have my book launched already because see, I know that for Indian kitchen, there is nothing out there to help you learn about meal prepping. And the book solves most of your problem. And also, if you have purchased the book, you get access to a WhatsApp group where you get weekly meal prep guides, like a fully built meal prep systems, which has like South Indian, veg preparation, non-veg preparation, 3 different meal prep systems that we design every single week. So it's going to be something that you are going to love. And yeah, so quickly get started with today's meal prep session. Planning plays a very important role in meal prepping. So you will always see me writing it down before actually starting the prep. But I have done most of the work for you. You can see the detailed PDF already let down for you that I am going to link. For that, you just have to check the link in my description. Now we are using 3 types of quinoas together. That's red, black and brown with its unique nutritional value. But we first start with making ACV gummies, apple cider vinegar gummies. They are little sour in taste when we combine apple cider vinegar, so we have added coconut water to it so that we can make it more palatable. Also use some sugar-free syrup, boiled it together, added some agar-agar so that there is a gelatin-like structure to your gummies. You store it in your refrigerator for about an hour and you will get jellies that you can consume before your meals to have better stabilized blood sugar levels. One jelly before every meal will help you have better energy throughout the days and great for diabetics. Next up, we divide our different types of quinoas in 3 different containers so that we can use them throughout the week. All of them have their unique nutritional profile. The red one has great amount of antioxidants and great flavonoids. Black one has good amount of iron and folic acid, and the brown one is great for digestion. First, we prepare our salad made out of red quinoa, black chana, some paneer, cucumbers, tomatoes and onions. We mix them together and add yogurt dressing. For yogurt dressing, take curd and add a tadka, how we do it for our curd rice. We use peanuts, some tempered mustard seeds and green chili with kadhi patta. Now mix it well together. This is the salad that you have to consume in the next 2 days itself because yogurt does not stay for longer, it will get sour. So yes, this will be your lunch for the next 2 days. Possibly it can stay long, good enough in a refrigerator for the next 2 to 3 days. Now this is something that I really enjoyed, very tasty, very filling, great amount of protein and fiber. Next up, we blanch and ensure that our edamames are ready for the next coming recipes. Meanwhile, we take the remaining black chana, add some rice to it and mix it well together. You can also add some brown quinoa here and then divide into 2 portions. We have used some jeera, ghee and salt and red chili powder, also some turmeric. It tastes divine, very wholesome and filling. It's one of the most comforting meals. Add some lemon and you will enjoy this high protein rice. This just gives variety to your regular rice recipes and also add protein. Next up, we make the third recipe with quinoa where we take some mustard seeds, add some peanuts, some onions, some rice and our black quinoa. Mix it well together. We make it like a poha preparation. And now because of these recipes to have a longer shelf life, we can store it up to 4 to 5 days and enjoy it in the later part of the week. And yes, this turns out to be yummy, amazing, tasty, very filling. And yes, of course, you have to pair it with some curd base or enjoy it with any other protein source as well. Next, we prepare our edamame rice where we take edamame, some rice and add some quinoa to it. Add your jeera in a good quantity to enjoy the flavors. Next, we prepare 2 portions of our edamame salad with our red quinoa. We add some cucumbers, onions, tomatoes, and then make a yummy olive oil dressing for this. This yummy olive oil dressing is very much shared on my page a lot of times. All the details will be there in the PDF mentioned in the link below. So just go out and check that link for yourself. We store it, and this is going to stay the longest. Next, we prepare protein ice cream. Take good and very generous amount of protein. This will give me about 60 grams of protein. I think we have taken 2 scoops. Added some bananas, plant-based milk, some dark chocolate, some desiccated coconut, blended it all together, and then we refrigerated for, obviously in a deep freezer, for about 8 to 9 hours, and you will get one of the most delicious high protein chocolate ice cream. Next is the seasonal drink, which you should be incorporating in your routine. If you are someone who easily gets falsa, make sure that you blend the fruit with some black salt and then make juice out of it. It only stays in a refrigerator for about 2 days and not more than that. So be cautious of that. It gets stale more than that. It also tastes sour. So make sure that you don't keep it for longer. But yes, it's very refreshing and tasty in the summer season. All of these recipes, including these gummies, high protein chocolate ice cream, have been such a game changer when you are on your weight loss journey. It adds variety, taste, and good health with amazing inclusions of protein, fibers, and carbohydrate. So yes, try it for yourself and do let me know how you feel about it. So that's it for today's meal prep session. I hope you'll find it useful. This was a high fiber, balanced protein and carbs meal prep session today. I hope you will love it. And yes, don't forget to comment below and tell me how much you enjoyed it and incorporated it in your life. And for more details about personalized meal prepping solution, my book, and all of that stuff, find the link in my description below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Stay fit, stay happy.